In front of me is LG V50 ThinQ, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So first of all, you need to open browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon, which is 3+1 in the right upper corner, and select History. Now tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here you will notice Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you can reach browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. Then under Advanced you've got few more, and these are saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and also site settings. If you would like to stay with, for example, your saved passwords, smoothly unmark it, and then they will not be deleted. But I will mark everything, and then you can smoothly select the time range. To do it, just mark time range and pick the preferred period of time. I will pick all time because I would like to perform a full clear up, and then tap on Clear Data. And that's it. As you can see, there is no longer history here, and you can create it from scratch. So that would be all. This is it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.